Mangoal was nice enough to send me a dash cam that we're going to be taking a look at. So this is a very well designed package and box. It feels and looks great. So the back has some instructions in a couple of different languages. We got it plastic sealed, so I'm going to quickly get that undone. So it looks like this comes in like an inner and an outer sleeve. So that was an outside sleeve that you pull this box out, and here we are at the actual contents. So got a couple of papers on the top talking about, I think, some warranties and connection problems, as that one just said, but kind of the standard stuff that you get with a lot of tech products. With something like this, though, it is good to get a lot of information as much as possible when you're working with electrical stuff and tech that you might not be as familiar with. So this looks to be the main instructions with a couple of zip ties and I think information tag that you can put on the dash cam itself. Getting into more of like the parts. This is a bag of what looks to be different connectors. So this one in the bag looks to be a little different, more of like a standard cable, I guess, outside lining. And then these other ones look to be more what you'd see in a car, kind of the colored wires that are a bit thinner. They each have one end with three pins that are pretty similar with different ends. We also have a pry bar there, and this is the mount that you'll screw into your car uh, with those Allen wrenches, and that's where you'll kind of lock in the dash cam itself, and it will be resting in your car there. This is the GPS, which you'll also plug in. I imagine and believe that this would be connected to what the dash cam records and hopefully put a time and a place with what it captures. So helping you get some more information for the footage you get. This other bag, I'm guessing, is the dash cam itself. So let's get it out. It's nicely kind of packaged where it's kind of snug. But yeah, this is the dash cam itself. There's the lens or camera itself, I guess. And then we got two connectors. The blue one looks to be what you'd connect the GPS to, and then the other one is where you'd plug the power supply end into. The instructions detail a few ways you can find a video on how to get the dashcam installed. There's an app or Mangoal's website. Last thing I'll throw in is their dash cams are intended for specific cars and specific models, so make sure that your car is compatible and you'll be able to use these high quality dash cams.